Hello friends, some nights ago I made a vegetarian dish which all my family liked it, my wife, my daughter, my son, and hopefully you follow my recipe and enjoy this dish as much as we did. Thank you.
Take 2 summer squash and grate them with a cheese grater. It is quick and easy. Place the grated summer squash in a clean kitchen towel and gently squeeze out all the extra juice. Wash the green and red bell peppers, then chop them into small, even pieces. Chop 1 medium sweet onion into small, even pieces. Wash the white mushrooms, pat them dry, and chop them into small pieces. Use a garlic press to crush 4 cloves of garlic. Take a look at the lentils that have been soaking in warm water for the last 2 hours. They should be nicely hydrated now. Drain the lentils, then crack 2 eggs into them. Using an electrical hand blender, blend the mixture until it's very smooth and has a pasty consistency. Once the lentils reach a smooth, creamy consistency, transfer shredded summer squash and stir gently to combine. After the summer squash is fully incorporated, add the chopped bell peppers and stir until evenly combined. Next, sauté the onion in a large skillet over medium heat until lightly golden. Add crushed garlic. Once the onions and garlic are turned golden, add the mushrooms and saute together. Season with salt and black pepper. When the onion and mushrooms are cooked through, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika and 1 tablespoon of turmeric, stirring well. Add a pinch of crushed chili pepper to bring a gentle heat. Carefully add the golden onion and mushroom mixture into the creamy lentils and summer squash, letting all the flavors come together. Stir the mixture gently until it's creamy and fully combined. Ensure all the ingredients are beautifully incorporated. Scoop a spoonful of the mixture and shape it into a patty with your hands, then saute gently in olive oil until golden. Pan fry patties, turning carefully to ensure both sides are beautifully golden brown. Your flavorful lentil and vegetable patties are now ready to enjoy. Enjoy them alongside crispy French fries or turn them into a hearty sandwich with a side of tortilla chips. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, share, leave a comment, and hit the bell. See you soon with another delicious dish.